Hello everyone. So we have some inbuilt, or you can say that predefined, or you can say that important methods of regular expression. And one of the method is match function. That is this one. So what is exactly match function? Like first we have used input re, so we are importing regular expression. And then using input function, we are asking user you enter any pattern just to check, and we are storing that in S. And then using RE, that is our module name, dot match, we are matching whatever user has entered, that is S, comma, our predefined. And we are storing our answer in M, and then we are writing if condition. If it is matching, then it will print if part. If not matching, then it will print else part. Now the thing is, match function will match only the beginning of string. Beginning of string, it means if I write H and E, you will get this answer correct. If I write hello, you will get correct answer. But if I write world, then it will not match, because match is not available at the beginning of string. So let's check the output of this. Control S F5, and suppose if I write hello hell, okay, see, still we are getting the output. But suppose if I write HE only, still we are getting the output. Okay. Control S F5, and now if I write world, match is not available at the beginning of string. So that is all about the inbuilt match function. It will match only beginning of string. Thank you everyone.